Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Elleece London. For those who don't know, now you know. And as you've seen from that title and that thumbnail, it is finally about that time that these kids go back to school. So in today's video, guys, you're literally going to be seeing me maintaining and prepping his hair because he literally goes back to school tomorrow. And listen, I'm no hair barber nor a hairdresser. I taught myself how to do my own hair for 4 years, and I literally started doing his little shape ups for about a few months now. So don't roast me in the comments. So first things first, you know, he was straight out of the shower, got him dried, greased, all that. Now I'm just greasing his hair with the original black castor oil because our hair needs this. And this hair oil specifically is very good for black African American hair. And with my son's hair, his hair gets very dry very quickly, especially that, you know, the weather has been so hot that his hair tends to dry out more quickly. So I use this hair oil in his hair every day so that his hair is nice and moisturized. Then I'm just combing that hair through with a comb from root to tips. Now I'm going to go in with my hair clipper and just shape up his hairline a tad bit because I want my baby looking sharp and crisp, you feel me? So for his shape up, I'm only going in with the blade itself. I'm not using any combs attached to the hair clipper. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and go across his hairline and take my time because you do not want to cut, you know, the baby's skin. So you gotta take time and be very gentle because you know how kids move, they don't sit still in one spot. So just take your time with it. If you're a perfectionist like me, you'll get there in the end. So as you guys saw from his reaction, my baby's liking how it's looking. So yeah, I'm just continuing down the sides and just perfecting that shape up because I want it to look extra sharp and crisp. And remember what your girl said, I'm not no hair barber. So yeah, I literally just taught myself. I'm still learning till this day, and I'm getting better each time. And I'm so glad that he sat still this day and made me do what I need to do because it was just a breeze. Other times when I did it, he just kept moving and just moving all over the place, and it just was so difficult for me. But this day, he done well. Now that the shape up is done, I'm gonna go in with my homemade mixture of cloves in water, and cloves water grows your hair like crazy. It leaves your hair so moisturized. But the only thing that you need to do when applying this mixture into your hair is that you leave it in, well, what I do, I leave it in for 2 days, and then on the 3rd day we rinse it out and repeat. So but it's down to you. If you want to use this mixture, you can do it however you want to. And with this mixture, I'm just applying that to his hair and rubbing it in his roots all the way to his tips. Shining, my sister, keep shining. Yeah. To style and define his curls, I'm going to go in with his hair wax and apply that everywhere around his hair, and then get a hair toothbrush and brush it. For the top of his hair, he's got more hair at the top, and at the sides his hair is a bit more faded. So I'm just brushing all that product in forward so he can get that curl definition and that waves type of look. And then for the sides, I'm going to use that same hair toothbrush and brush the sides down so it gives that faded look. Like mathematics, the sum's greater than the parts. So when you shine it, I'm sunbathing in your art. Come on, you know I love to see you shine that light. Yeah, I put that love in every. Got to make sure you get the back too so that everywhere is faded. Like starting from the sides all the way around to the back, everything has got to look neat. It's like the struggle make you twice as bright. So keep shining, my friends, keep shining. Come on, yeah. And that's literally all I do for his hair at the moment. My baby loves it. He looks handsome. His curls are popping. He looks fresh and he's ready for school.